In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 DLL error step by step using simple methods that actually work in 2026. If you've ever tried opening Fusion 360 and got a message saying a DLL file is missing or can't be loaded, don't worry. This is a very common issue and it's usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through the exact causes and the safest ways to solve it without breaking your system. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly understand what this error means. A DLL error happens when Fusion 360 cannot find or properly load a required dynamic link library file. These files are essential for the software to run, and if they're missing, corrupted, or blocked, Fusion will fail to start. Now let's fix it step by step. The first and easiest fix is to restart your computer. This might sound simple, but it clears temporary glitches and system conflicts that can cause DLL errors. After restarting, try launching Fusion 360 again and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall Fusion 360. This is one of the most effective fixes. Go ahead and uninstall Fusion from your system completely, then download and install the latest version from the official Autodesk website. This process restores any missing or corrupted DLL files automatically. Next, make sure your Windows system is fully up to date. Outdated system libraries can cause compatibility issues with Fusion 360. Open your Windows Update settings, check for updates, and install everything available. Once done, restart your computer again and test Fusion. Another very common cause of DLL errors is outdated or faulty graphics drivers. Fusion 360 relies heavily on your GPU, so you'll want to update your graphics drivers to the latest version. You can do this through Device Manager or by visiting your GPU manufacturer's website like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Now here's something a lot of people overlook: your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs mistakenly block or delete DLL files, thinking they're harmful. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus and then launch Fusion 360. If it works, you may need to add Fusion as an exception in your antivirus settings. Also, try running Fusion 360 as an administrator. Just right-click the Fusion icon and select Run as Administrator. This ensures the program has the proper permissions to access system files and required DLLs. Now, a very important note: do not download random DLL files from the internet. This can introduce malware, cause system instability, and make the problem worse. Always fix DLL issues through proper installation and updates instead of downloading files from unknown sources. And here's a quick tip to remember. DLL errors usually happen because required files are missing or corrupted, and in most cases, reinstalling Fusion 360 combined with updating your system solves the issue completely. And that's it. You now know how to fix Fusion 360 DLL errors step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.